Board exams are near and we are struggling with a vast syllabus. Let's take a small topic today and try to cover it so that we are assured of 4 marks by covering this small topic. The name of the topic is Green Chemistry and Nanochemistry. Let's start with the previous year's questions first. Write the name of the nanostructural material used in tires to increase their life. This has occurred in September 2021, 1 mark question, the answer for which is carbon black. Explain 3 principles of green chemistry, September 2021, 3 marks question. What you have to do is simply write down any 3 principles. We are having 12 principles, out of that any 3 are enough, and just writing the heading is going to give you half a mark. So writing atom economy will give you half mark, prevention of waste or byproducts will give you half mark, less hazardous chemical synthesis will give you another half mark. So total comes out to be 1.5. If you write a little bit in detail with the explanation, you will get the other half over here. So that you will get total 3 marks. Write the name of the alloy used in Fischer-Tropsch process in the synthesis of gasoline. It's a 1 mark question and the answer for this is cobalt thorium alloy. Let's move on to the next one. Define green chemistry. Now, this question has repeated twice. That's March 2022. Also, you can see July 2022, the same question has repeated. So, what's green chemistry? It's the use of chemistry for pollution prevention by environmentally conscious design of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances. Now, we have to write down 2 disadvantages also. So, the question total carries 2 marks. 1 mark is for the definition of green chemistry and the other 1 mark is for writing the disadvantages of nanotechnology. So there are 2 disadvantages. One is increased air pollution and linked to it we have the other disadvantage, that is the lung gets damaged because of the nanoparticles which are produced due to nanotechnology. Let's move on to the next one. ZWT. This is an MCQ which had occurred in July 2022. So the ZWT stands for Zero Waste Technology. Next is define nanochemistry, again a 1 mark question. Nanochemistry deals with the designing and synthesis of materials of nanoscale with different size and shape, structure and composition, and their organization in functional architecture. The next question is the repeated one, as I've already told. Now these are the only questions which had appeared in the exams because this is a new topic which is introduced in 2020 syllabus. So I have taken down some IMPs from the lesson, like name the gamma isomer of BHC. The gamma isomer is known as gamexane or lindane. Which insecticide has replaced DDT, that is dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane, which is found harmful for living beings. So it's being replaced by BHC, that is benzene hexachloride. Next question, which solvents are preferred instead of halogenated organic solvents? So we basically prefer water, which is a universal solvent, and supercritical carbon dioxide. So any solvent which does not contain halogens are being preferred here. Name the catalyst used for the following reactions. Okay, I have mentioned only one. Hydrogenation of oil, that is hardening. You can take platinum, you can take palladium, or also you can take ranitol. The next one is Haber's process of manufacturing of ammonia. Here you can include iron with molybdenum can be used as a catalyst. Manufacturing of HDP, that is high density polyethylene polymer. The very important catalyst that is called as Ziegler-Natta catalyst, that is TiCl4 plus we can have triethyl aluminium. The next one, manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. We can have 2 rather over here. One can be vanadium pentoxide and the other can be asbestos sheets, platinized asbestos sheets. The next question is, which nanoparticles are present in sunscreen? So we can be having zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. We can have the same answer, but the question can be framed in a different manner. That is, what is used in photocatalysis? So we can have the same answer, that is zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. The next is, what are the steps involved in a sol gel process? So there are 5 steps. So this question may probably be asked for like 2 marks. So the answer for this is hydrolysis, then polycondensation, aging of the gel, drying of the gel, and finally thermal decomposition. So you will get half a mark for each point here. Okay, so this question can be asked for 2 marks, not more than that. So any 4 points are being expected from you students. Next question. What information is available using the following instruments? So we do have the process also, and the instruments I have placed over there. The process, I would say the instruments are actually named based on the processes. So we have ultraviolet visible spectrophotometer. From this we can get the information like the preliminary confirmation of formation of nanoparticles. The next is X-ray diffractometer. We get the information of the particle size, the crystal structure, the geometry of a particular molecule from this. The next one is scanning electron microscope. So from here we get the information of the structure of the surface of the material, that's actually the morphology of a particular material. The next is STEM, that is transmission electron microscope. We can understand the particle size from this. The last one is a Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer. From this we can get the information about the absorption of the functional groups and the binding nature. See the next question. Which nanoparticles act as a highly effective bacterial disinfectant, that is removing Escherichia coli from water? So we use silver nanoparticles, which can be written as AgNPS. That's a short form for silver nanoparticles. Let's move on to the next question. In green technology developed by Drath and Frost, adipic acid is enzymatically synthesized from. So here we are using glucose, which is an organic molecule and is not at all harmful to the environment. Name the plant which is an example of self-cleaning. Or this question can also be framed as name the plant which can be used as an example in self-cleaning windows. So we can have the answer as lotus. The last question. Write one example of nanomaterial used in ancient glass painting. So here we have the ruby red color in some of the glass paintings. This is because of the gold and the silver nanoparticles which are getting trapped inside the glass matrix. I hope this would be helpful to you all. Thank you for watching my video.